Dear students, this is the third part of the topic transformation of degree. In this video, we are going to learn the remaining part of our topic transformation of degree. First of all, I'll give you the idea on the transformation methods from positive degree to superlative degree. So students, before that, I want to repeat the definition of superlative degree and its uses. Students, এই ভিডিওটোত আমি পজিটিভ ডিগ্ৰীৰ পৰা সুপাৰলেটিভ ডিগ্ৰীলৈ কেনেকৈ ট্ৰান্সফৰ্ম কৰে চেঞ্জ কৰে এটা সেন্টেন্স সেই বিষয়ে শিকিম তাৰ আগতে মই তোমালোকক সুপাৰলেটিভ ডিগ্ৰীৰ ওপৰত পুনৰ এবাৰ সোঁৱৰাই দিবলৈ বিচাৰিছো So students, superlative degree of an adjective is used to describe something which possesses a characteristics in the greatest degree. That means superlative degree agote ami hiki ahisu comparison more than 2 মাজত হয় হয়তো 3 or more than 3 হয়তো তিনিটা হ'ব পাৰে নহলে তিনিটাতকৈ অধিক হ'ব পাৰে দুটাতকৈ অধিক নাউন আৰু প্ৰনাউনৰ মাজত হোৱা তুলনাক আমি সুপাৰলেটিভ ডিগ্ৰীত ইউজ কৰো So look at the example Rakesh is the youngest boy in our class Now the first thing you must know is that which one is the adjective Here, youngest is the adjective. And it is very clear to you that the sentence is used in superlative degree. এই কথাটো তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে ক্লিয়াৰ হৈ গৈছে যে এই সেন্টেন্সটো superlative degree ইউজ কৰা হৈছে because ইয়াত adjectiveৰ ফৰ্মটো superlative হয়. Now, let's have a look on the rules of writing a superlative degree sentence. See students, in a sentence of superlative degree, the superlative form of adjective is preceded by the and followed by the nouns they modify. Superlative degree thoka sentence buror adjective to jitu adjective superlative formত থাকে সেই adjectiveটোৰ আগত আমি article the to use কৰো okay and after that the noun which is modified by the adjective is used আমি first the use কৰো then superlative degree okay superlative degree of the adjective okay then the noun which is modified by the adjective আমি আগতে শিকি আইছো adjective to noun modify কৰে okay here Rakesh is the youngest boy here boy is also noun and the word Rakesh is also noun but see এই boy toke modify কৰিছে boy noun took modify কৰিছে how is the boy youngest বুজি পাইছানে তো ইয়াত আমি first কি ইউজ কৰিছো First, the, then superlative form of the adjective, then the noun which is modified. Clear? So we are going to learn how to change the sentences of positive degree into superlative degree. So students, we had already learned how the sentences are used in positive degree. There were 4 structures as is, so, no other, very few other, correct? But the sentences which are used in these first 2 structures cannot be written in superlative degree. Is a prothomor duta structure thoka positive degree sentence bur এই দুটা ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ থকা সেন্টেন্সবোৰ আমি সুপাৰলেটিভ ডিগ্ৰীত ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰো So what are the reason? Okay, now see, look at the example. Hira is as tall as Ram. How many nouns are compared here? 2, correct? But if in a sentence 2 nouns are compared, you cannot use superlative degree for that. যদি দুটা noun or pronoun compare হৈছে তাত আমি superlative degree to use কৰিব নোৱাৰো because superlative degree more than 2 noun or pronoun comparison হ'ব লাগিব okay again she is not so intelligent as her brother how many between how many nouns the comparison is made between 2 so here also superlative degree cannot be used okay but we can see the sentences which are used in these two structures no other as and very few other these can be written in superlative degree এই দুটা structure লিখা sentence বোৰ আমি superlative degree use কৰিব পাৰো so how so first sentences with this structure no other as now see look at the examples no other city in India is as large as Kolkata. So, how to use this sentence in superlative degree? See, the only thing you need to know is that how to find out the subject. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of subject? Subject is the noun or the pronoun about whom the sentence is talking. Sentence to kar bikhoye koise. Okay. তেৱেই হ'ব সাবজেক্ট আন্ডাৰস্টুড তুমি সেন্টেন্সটো সাবজেক্টটো উলিয়াব জানিব লাগিব দেন দ্য এডজেক্টিভ হাউ টু ফাইণ্ড আউট দ্য এডজেক্টিভ অ'কে দেন দ্য নাউন হুইচ ইজ মডিফাইড বাই দ্য এডজেক্টিভ তো ফাৰ্ষ্ট আমি জানিব লাগিব সাবজেক্টটো উলিয়াবলৈ অ'কে দেন এডজেক্টিভ কেনেকৈ উলিয়ায় সেইটো শিকিব লাগিব দেন the noun modified by the adjective আৰু এই adjectiveটোৱে যিটো noun modify কৰিব সেই nounটো উলিয়াব জানিব লাগিব that's all okay now go to this example number 1 no other city in India is as large as Kolkata কাৰ বিষয়ে কৈছে ইয়াত about whom the sentence is talking Kolkata correct so it is the subject so we are writing subject at first আমি ফার্স্টত কি লিখি ললো subject this is the structure okay you can note it down subject then the auxiliary which one is the auxiliary here is so after Kolkata we can use is so we use it you cannot change the tense remember it okay Kolkata is then we have already learned that before using the superlative degree of the adjective you must use the superlative degree adjective to use কৰাৰ আগতে আমি the to use কৰিব লাগিব so for subject then auxiliary then the got it then adjective which is used in which should be in superlative degree got it so Kolkata is the yet adjective কি হয় large larger superlative to কি হয় largest then the noun which is modified by the adjective large what city in India correct largest city in India understood again look at example number 2 no other man in this village is as strong as Ramesh so what you have to find out first the subject subject কোনটো হয় ইয়াত কাৰ বিষয়ে কৈছে Ramesh so we wrote Ramesh first then what was the structure auxiliary which one the auxiliary used here is so we used is after Ramesh then the word the correct then which one is the adjective here strong and the superlative form of strong is strongest so we wrote superlative form of the adjective then which is the noun modified by the adjective Strong what? Man in the village. So, strongest man in the village. That's all. Subject, auxiliary, the superlative form of the adjective, and the noun which is modified by the adjective. That's it. প্ৰথমতে ছাবজেক্টটো উলিয়াবা, ছাবজেক্ট লিখিবা, তাৰপাছত অক্সিলেৰী লিখিবা, তাৰপাছত দা ইউজ কৰিবা, দেন সুপাৰলেটিভ ফৰ্ম অফ দ্য এডজেক্টিভ ইউজ কৰিবা, দেন সেই এডজেক্টিভটোৱে কোনটো নাউন মডিফাই কৰিছে সেই নাউনৰ পাৰ্টটো লিখি দিবা। Understood? Now the second structure, very few other ases. Okay, look at the example. Very few other cities in India are as beautiful as Mumbai. Correct? So, again, you have to find out the subject. Subject kontu hoy? Kar bikhoye koise? Mumbai. So, we wrote the subject Mumbai. Then, is the auxiliary. Is use korilo auxiliary. But here, one thing you must add. See? যেতিয়া তোমালোকে দেখিবা সেন্টেন্সটো ভেৰি ফিউৰে ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে, ইয়াত তোমালোকে ওৱান অফ দ্য ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব। হোৱাট ইজ দ্য মিনিং? ডেট মিনছ ভেৰি ফিউ আদাৰ চিটিজ লাইক মুম্বাই, আদাৰ চিটিজ আৰ অলছ' দেয়াৰ। মুম্বাই নিচিনাকৈ বেলেগ চিটিও আছে। আণ্ডাৰষ্টুড? বাট নট মেনি, ভেৰি ফিউ। অ'কে, চ' হিয়াৰ ওৱান অফ দ্য you have to use মানে তাৰ ভিতৰত এখন। ক্লিয়াৰ? চ' ৰিমেম্বৰ ইট, যেতিয়া ভেৰি ফিউ দেখিবা ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো কেনেকৈ হ'ব? ছাবজেক্ট ইউজ কৰিবা, দেন অক্সিলেৰী ইউজড, মুম্বাই ইজ, দেন ওৱান অফ দ্য ইউজ কৰিবা। অ'কে, ওৱান অফ, দেন দ্য, আৰু ৰিমেইনিং পাৰ্টটো ছেইম হ'ব। সুপাৰলেটিভ ফৰ্ম অফ দ্য এডজেক্টিভ, হুইচ ওৱান ৱাজ দ্য এডজেক্টিভ হিয়াৰ? বিউটিফুল। চ' বিউটিফুলৰ সুপাৰলেটিভ ডিগ্ৰী কি হ'ব? দুটা চিলেবল, বিউটিফুল। চ' বিউটিফুলৰ ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ আমি, বিউটিফুলেষ্ট ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ। চ' উই ইউজড মষ্ট বিউটিফুল cities in India. Clear? Next, number 2. Very few other poets were as great as Kalidas. Okay, again you see about whom the sentence is talking. Kalidas, it is the subject. So, we use the subject first, then auxiliary. But see, ইয়াত এটা কথা আছে দেই, ইয়াত যেতিয়া তোমালোকে কালিদাসৰ পাছত ইয়াত অক্সিলেৰী বেলেগ আছে, চোৱা ৱেৰ আছে। হোৱাই? বিকজ এইটো ছাবজেক্ট কি হৈছে? প্লুৰেল ফৰ্মত ইউজ হৈছে। ভেৰি ফিউ আদাৰ পয়েটছ প্লুৰেল ফৰ্মত ইউজ হৈছে। বাট ইয়াত যে ৱেৰটো ইউজ হৈছে, এই কালিদাসৰ পিছত আমি ৱেৰ ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ, ইট ইজ ছিংগুলাৰ। বাট ইউ কেনট চেঞ্জ দ্য টেন্স অলছ'। আণ্ডাৰষ্টুড? সেইকাৰণে আমি ইয়াত ৱাজ ইউজ কৰিছোঁ দেই। যেতিয়া পাষ্ট টেন্সত থাকিব ৱাজ ৱেৰ, ইয়াত এতিয়া আৰ আছিলে এইটো চেণ্টেন্সত। ফাৰ্ষ্ট চেণ্টেন্সটোত আৰ আছিলে, মুম্বাই পাছত ইজ ইউজ কৰিছোঁ। উই ডিড নট চেঞ্জ দ্য টেন্স। বুজি পাইছা? ইয়াতো আমি টেন্সটো চেঞ্জ নাই কৰা। কালিদাস ছিংগুলাৰ, চ' উই ইউজড ৱাজ। ক্লিয়াৰ? নেক্সট, ছাবজেক্ট, দেন অক্সিলেৰী, দেন ওৱান অফ দ্য ইউজ কৰিলোঁ, সুপাৰলেটিভ ফৰ্ম অফ দ্য এডজেক্টিভ, দেন দ্য নাউন which is modified by the objective. Clear? Now, transformation from comparative degree into superlative degree. So students, look at the examples. Example number 1. Ramesh is stronger than any other man in the village. And second one is, Mumbai is more beautiful than most other cities in India. Both are given in comparative degree. So, before also we discussed how to use a sentence in superlative degree using a specific structure, correct? So, what we have learned? First, we have to find out the subject. Which one is the subject? Ramesh. So, we wrote it, okay? Then, the auxiliary is, we used it. Then, the word the use korilu, then the adjective which is in superlative degree, okay, superlative degree, then the noun which is modified by the adjective. Stronger what? Man. Okay, so here we used strongest man. Then the remaining part which was used with the noun in the village. So the correct answer is Ramesh is strongest man in the village. Clear? Now see, what is the difference between example 1 and example 2? So the difference is here any other. That means Ramesh is a single man who is strongest in the village. Okay, no one is there who is stronger than him. Ramesh say as stronger hoy or teotkoi stronger village konot kono nai. But here see, Mumbai is more beautiful than most other cities in India. Mane Mumbai kon bahut kikhon city bitorat ekhon hoy beautiful. Okay, most other kebakhonu ase tar bitor ekhon. So here the structure will be quite different. First we used the subject, then auxiliary, okay, then one of the. Why? Because here most use hoise. Eneki mone rakhiba, any other jot thakibo tat tumaloke direct use koriba. Jodi most other thake tetia hole yat one of the use korile hobo. After auxiliary, one of, then the adjective in superlative form, most beautiful, then the noun which is modified by the adjective beautiful what? Cities. Where? In India. That's all. So these are the two structures which should be followed to write a sentence in superlative degree. Clear? Now we will learn how to change a sentence of superlative degree into a sentence of positive degree. So first of all, I want to show you the examples. Kolkata is the largest city in India. Next, number 2, Kalidas was one of the greatest poets. Okay, here you will get two structures. Duta structure paba. Eta one of the aru eta one of the without one of. Tumai eta one of thoka paba aru eta one of nothoka paba. Okay, jot one of nathake, no other structure to use koribo laibo. Okay, etia ya structure monot rakhiba. No other. Okay, then use hobo noun which is modified by the adjective. Okay, then the auxiliary, then as, then the adjective which is used in positive degree, then again as, then the subject. You please note it down. Eto tumi note kori loba tumaloke. So I am talking about this. Kolkata is the largest city in India. Ya dekhisa niki one of the nine. So that means Kolkata is a single noun which is talking about here. Eto mane okol Kolkata kothai amak koise, the largest city in India. So we are using this structure. No other ami use korilu. Etia is a noun boli koisu. Etu adjective to a modify kora noun to. Largest what? City. Eitu noun ami yat use koribo lagibo. No other city aru ei logot lagi thoka part to use kori dim. No other city in India. Okay. Then auxiliary. Auxiliary is use korilu. Then as use korilu. Then adjective in which degree? Positive degree. Buzi pala? Yat largest to ki hoy? Superlative degree. Positive degree largest to ki hobo? Large hoy ne no hoy. So as or pasot ami a large use korisu positive degree. Then again as. Okay. After that subject. Subject kuntu hoy? Kolkata. Ami yat Kolkata use korilo. Clear? A structure to mono rakhiba. No other plus noun which is modified by adjective. Then auxiliary. Then as. Then adjective in positive degree, then again as, then the subject. Clear? Okay. Now let's go to number 2. It is with one of the. Yet one of the. Or one of the takile structure to beleg hobo. It will be different. Okay, now see what you have to use. Very few in the place of no other. Yat tumi ki use koribo lagibo? Very few. Then again the same structure will come back. Now see the noun which is modified by adjective, which is it? Poets, correct? So very few, after that poets. Then the auxiliary, what it should be? Etia sma yat auxiliary to plural form ot use hobo, because very few buli kole it will a plural number. Okay, plural form ot use hobo, but you cannot change the tense. Okay, was ase noy yat where disu. Was is used after singular, where to plural or pasot use hoy. Then according to structure as use hoise. Then the adjective in positive degree. Clear? Then again the word as. Then the subject. Okay, then the subject. Clear? Kolkata is Kalidas was one of the greatest poet. Very few use korilu, likhila, structure likhi goisa, very few. Then the noun which is modified by the adjective. Yet adjective kontu asle greatest. Greatest what? Poets. Ami poets use korilu. Then the auxiliary, but auxiliary to kihot likhim ami plural ot use korim. Understood? But you cannot change the tense. Yet was ase yet ami where likhisu. Clear? Then as, then the adjective in positive degree adjective to use korim. Again then as, after that the subject Kalidas yet use korilu. I think it is clear to you. Okay, the most important thing is to remember the structure. Tomaloke structures gita jodi monot rakha, it will become very easy for you. Clear? Okay, now we will learn how to change the sentences of comparative degree into positive degree. Look at example number 1. Mohan is better than any other student in our class. And example number 2, he is stronger than most boys in his class. Before also we learnt about comparative degree. Ami comparative degree kotha agor to video te pohi ahisu. Any other, most. Hane? Jetia eta thakibo tetia ami any other use koru aru bahut gitar logot jodi ekeloge loi compare koru tetia hole most use koru. Correct? So yat ami dutai no other, jetia any other thakibo tetia he no other structure to use korim aru most thakile very few structure use korim. And after that you can follow the remaining part of the structure. Okay, now see number 1, Mohan is better than any other student in our class. Ami yet no other structure follow korim. Ki ketia follow koriba jetia any other dekhiba. Thik ase? No other use korila. Then the noun which is modified by the adjective. Okay, better what? Better mane better ki student. Hane? Yet student use korilo. No other student. It is the noun. Okay, what is it? It is the noun which is modified by the adjective. Clear? Noun. Then noun logot ami remaining part to use kori disu in our college. It is nokoriba de, etu eri nahiba, logot likhi diba. Then auxiliary, which one is the auxiliary? Is. Then as use korilu. Positive degree of the adjective, good. Then again as, then subject. He agor nisinake tumaloke ebaroloi monot rakhile hoi jabo. No other structure aru eta very few other structure. Buji paisa? Next number 2. He is stronger than most boys in his class. Here very few use korim. Kyo? Most boys ase. To very few plus noun which is modified by the adjective stronger what? Boys. Correct? Okay. Noun modified by the adjective. Then the remaining part in his class yet use korilu. দেন আগৰ নিচিনাকৈ ভেৰি ফিউ ইউজ কৰিলে আমি এইটো প্লুৰেলত অক্সিলাৰীটো কিহত লিখিম প্লুৰেলত ইউজ কৰিম অ'কে হোৱাট ইজ দ্য প্লুৰেল ফৰ্ম of which can be used in present tense are so we used are then as okay then the positive degree of the adjective it is strong okay then again as then he the subject but here I am repeating once again that you cannot use the pronoun in objective case it must be in subjective case আমি subjective case othe use koribo paro clear okay so students here we have finished our topic transformation of degree hope all of you have learned it very well if you have any kind of doubt you can drop a message in the comment box I will try my best to reach you personally and if you had liked my videos don't forget to like share and subscribe my channel for now bye bye